OMAX 40x-2000x LED Binocular Compound Lab Microscope. Explore the world of microscopy with the OMAX 40x-2000x LED Binocular Compound Lab Microscope, sold by Amazon.com. Features wide-field 10x and wide-field 20x eyepieces and achromatic DIN objectives for clear viewing. Includes a 45-degree, inclined 360-degree swiveling binocular head for comfortable observation. Equipped with a double-layer mechanical stage and a precise sliding interpupillary adjustment. Enhanced with a 1.25 Na Abbey condenser, adjustable LED illumination, and dual focus knobs. Constructed with a durable metal frame and includes 100 blank slides, cover slips, and lens paper. Backed by a 5-year warranty, ensuring reliability and satisfaction in your scientific endeavors. Rated 4.4 stars with over 4,000 ratings. Order today for around $215. Check out the links in the description below for more details and to get your own OMAX Binocular Compound Microscope today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notifications for our latest reviews and tutorials. Happy scoping!